ready to transform your chaos into organized brilliance. Let's dive in and master the art of creating a classic project in Jira. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira instance, then on the Jira dashboard, locate and click the Create Project button. Fantastic! The next step is choosing your project type. You'll be presented with different options. For this tutorial, we'll select the Classic project. The card will tell you that Classic projects are simple to configure and perfect for teams that need a straightforward structure. Click the Use Template button beneath the Classic project. Now, for the project details, you'll see a form to fill out. Start by entering your project's name. Next, you can define a key, which is a shortened, unique identifier for your project. Jira will usually autofill this based on the name, but you can change it if you need to. Lastly, for the project template section, make sure your preferred template is selected. Choose what's best for your team's needs. Hit the Create Project button, and voila! Your Classic project is successfully set up. You'll be taken to your project's dashboard, where you can begin customizing it by adding issues, setting up workflows, and assigning team members. Congratulations! You've created your first Classic project. You're now one step closer